Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new character in Windows. Let's begin by opening the character menu by pressing the button next to your character on the main menu screen. This takes you to the Select Character screen where you can create a new character. You'll be presented with options similar to what you may have seen before. I'll select one of the presets and further customize them. Here you can choose gender, origin, and body shape, either being noodly, muscular, or wide. I'll go with wide because that's quite fun. Here you can change skin details, and there's also age selection. I'll pick option 2 for age, then hit next to customize the head. I can make the head thin, fat, or chiseled, so I'll go with something in between to match the body. I'll give him a larger mouth, more rounded and bigger ears, and enlarged eyebrows. I'll give him green eyes, then go to hair. I could give him a bald spot, but I don't think I'll pick that. I remember a quote from a game I played long ago: heavy is a pretty princess. Why not? Let's go with this one. Here are tattoos. You can pick the style, and if I pick the Yakuza style, you have fish and dragon, and for the back, a tiger. To match the hairdo, I'll give him some floral tattoos. You can even get tattoos on your legs, which is surprising. There's also makeup. Let's make it as silly as possible. For the name, I already made the connection to the meme, so why not? After creation is complete, you can swap between your characters, pick one, and hit select. You can also go back, edit, or delete them. That's up to you. That's about it for this guide. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and leave a like.